Here I am in Illustrator ready to export my file. Before you export it into Photoshop, you want to make sure that nothing is grouped, and I'll show you why once we get into Photoshop. And I'm going to come up here to the top right corner where I have these three lines and select Release to Layers Sequence. You'll see all of the layers sort of tumble out one on top of the other. And then we can go to File, Export As, choose Format Photoshop, use Artboards, and here make sure Write Layers is ticked. Here's the file we've just exported. If I open it up, you can see that Photoshop has automatically grouped all of our layers into a folder. If I right-click on it and ungroup them, here they all are. Remember in the beginning when we were still in Illustrator, I mentioned that we should make sure to ungroup everything. And this is where the groups that you had there were going to be in folders. So you were going to have to go into each individual folder here and ungroup them one by one. So it's best to make sure you ungroup all the layers back in Illustrator first and then export it.